Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a versatile kitchen appliance that has been making waves in homes everywhere, the Nuwave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven. We found this product online, and if you're interested, we've added a link in the description so you can check its latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Nuwave Bravo Air Fryer? This isn't just your typical air fryer. It's a 12-in-1 countertop convection oven that combines the functions of a traditional toaster oven, air fryer, and much more. With a generous 30-quart XL capacity, it allows you to prepare meals for the whole family without any hassle. You can easily switch between cooking methods, making it an incredibly versatile tool in the kitchen. Now let's talk about some of the standout features that make this appliance so special. One of the most convenient aspects of the Bravo air fryer is its ability to make adjustments on the fly. If you find that your food needs a little more time or a hotter temperature, there's no need to start the cooking process over. The intuitive digital controls allow you to modify the cooking time and temperature instantly, even while it's running. For example, if you're baking a pizza, you can power the bottom heaters to full while adjusting the top heaters to 30% for that perfect crispy crust with gooey cheese on top. Another impressive feature is the integrated digital temperature probe. This smart probe monitors the internal temperature of your food, allowing you to set a desired doneness temperature. The Bravo will automatically end the cooking process once the temperature is reached, ensuring you never have to worry about undercooking or overcooking your meals again. This feature alone is a game changer for anyone who wants perfectly cooked dishes every time. The Bravo air fryer is loaded with 112 presets and conveniences, making it suitable for a wide array of cooking tasks. It has 4 different rack positions and includes 12 preset cooking functions for grilling, air frying, baking, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, reheating, defrosting, and toasting. Plus, with an additional 100 pre-programmed recipe presets, you can easily save and recall your favorite dishes. This level of customization means you can explore a variety of recipes without any guesswork. One of the key technologies in this air fryer is the linear thermal technology, or linear T. With the capability to set cooking temperatures from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments, this patented technology continuously monitors temperature fluctuations throughout the cooking process. Unlike traditional methods that turn the heater on and off intermittently, the Bravo's heater maintains constant power to ensure your food is cooked evenly and perfectly. Quality is another cornerstone of the Nuwave Bravo air fryer. From its heat-resistant and shatter-proof tempered glass door to the heavy-duty cooking racks and non-stick enamel baking pan with a broiler rack, every component is built to last. It even comes with a crumb tray and an air fry basket, making cleanup a breeze. So, who is this product suitable for? It's perfect for busy families looking to prepare quick, healthy meals without compromising on taste. Whether you're a novice in the kitchen or a seasoned chef, the Nuwave Bravo air fryer offers a range of cooking functions that can elevate your culinary skills. It's also a great choice for those who love to entertain, as you can easily whip up appetizers, main courses, and desserts all in one appliance. Practical use cases for this versatile oven are endless. Imagine hosting a game night and using the air fryer to prepare crispy chicken wings while simultaneously baking some gooey chocolate chip cookies. Or perhaps you are meal prepping for the week, using the dehydrator function to create healthy snacks like fruit chips or jerky. In conclusion, the Nuwave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven is a phenomenal addition to any kitchen. Its innovative features, user-friendly design, and high-quality construction make it an appliance you won't want to live without. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.